Michelle, thank you for getting in touch with me. I sincerely apologize on behalf of the company that you're facing such an issue with the payroll integration process and that your customers are not able to check out. I just wanted to ask, is this an issue that you're facing before the upgrade was deployed, or has this also been after the upgrade? I also recommend you to check that the upgrade has been downloaded successfully. Sometimes an error in downloading process creates some bugs that leads to malfunctioning. In order for you to not lose further revenue, I'm offering you a 20% discount on all the surcharges on the payroll software that we take. Since you're a most valuable customer, I wanted you to offer that support. And personally, I would recommend that you start giving coupons/codes to your clients so that they can directly fulfill the purchase. And I would also recommend you to and give me 5 minutes until I go back to my tech team, and I'll give you a call as soon as this is done. Once again, I'm sorry for the trouble, and I'll get back to you in the next 5 minutes. Thank you.